Hello, in this tutorial we're going to be talking about customizing and testing the funnel flow. To understand this fully, you really need to have watched one of the previous tutorials on the page structure and the menu structure that FastMember sets up for you. So what we're going to do is customize this a little bit so it's more in line with actually a sales funnel. So what we're going to do is go into WordPress, and in the WordPress dashboard we're going to actually go to the products page, and we're going to hide this from the menus. And now we're also going to go into the other pages, the single and the subscription page, and also hide those from the menus. If we go back to the pages and look at the sign up page, we're going to hide the title on this, and we'll disable the header. Now if we view this page where we're not logged in, you can see now that we've basically just got a landing page. So let's sign up and test this funnel flow. So we're taken to the confirmation page, and you can see up here the pages that we hid from the menu are no longer visible. So let's go check our inbox. So here's the email with the confirmation link, so let's just click this. It's showing the registration successful, and now we're taken to the next page in the sequence. And you can see up here the pages that we hid from the menu are no longer visible, and we've also got access to the members content for the free product, and you can see the members account, and we're actually logged in. So what we could do is hide this sample page, hide the sign up page from logged in members, or even just completely hide the header like we did on the previous landing page, and obviously hide the title. But let's just continue testing this flow. So basically we're on the subscription product and we want to do a test purchase, so we're going to enter a test card, and let's make that purchase. And you can see we're now taken to the landing page for the single product as the upsell, and you can see here we've got the saved card details, or we can enter a new card. So basically it's effectively a one-click upsell. You just select the card, check the box, you can turn these terms on and off if you want, and then you can order the second product. And then you can see here we're taken to the final step in the funnel, which is the thank you page. And then if there were more products, these would be below. But obviously we've just purchased all the products that were available. And here we can access the members area or go to the account section. And again, this page can be customized. You can remove this title, obviously, change these buttons around, do whatever you need with it using the WordPress block editor. So let's take a look inside the site where the transactions are. So here we are on the transactions list, and we can see 2 transactions for this test user. This is the first purchase, which was a subscription product, and then we can see the single product as well. You can see both of these obviously have a transaction ID, and there's a note here to make sure that you know it's a test. And then over here we can see the amount and the fee that is charged by the payment processor, which was Stripe, and then whichever member that is. And then there's an action here where it can be actually refunded from within the WordPress dashboard. Now if we look at this member, we're taken to the members list, and we can see all the products this member has access to. Over here we can see another action. So basically this subscription product can actually be cancelled from within the WordPress dashboard as well. You can see here the expiry is set. So depending on the product type, if this is a single product, it's not going to expire. And then with it being a subscription, it's going to expire based on the date in the product settings. So this expires within 1 month. And you can see the status is active. And then the free product is set to never as well. Now if we go and look at the user, and we can scroll down, and if we look at the fast tags, we can see the tags that were added to this user as well. So basically any tags that you add within the products, those will be added to the user when they purchase. So you'll be able to fully sync the user with any of your autoresponders.